Okay, so far you have seen a couple of data annotations, required and string length. We have a few other data annotations for implementing validation. Range, which we can apply on numeric properties to specify the minimum or maximum value they can accept. We also have compare to compare two properties like password and compare password. We have phone, email address, URL, and regular expression. Now, all these data annotations have their default validation message, and this message works pretty much most of the time. But let me show you how you can override it. So here is the name property. Let's say we want to override the message for the required attribute. Here we set the error message property. Please enter customer's name. Again, in my experience, most of these error messages work fine and you don't really need to override them. But in case you need to, you know how to do it. Next, I'm going to show you how to implement custom validation.